Welcome to the Trading Journal, guys, where we take high volatility stocks and make money trading them. Now, that is what I would love to say, but we got short squeezed today and we blew up our account. It was such an unfortunate day of technical errors, bad decisions, bad entries, bad exits, and we lost over $27,700 today. In this video, I'm going to break down how this happened, how we can prevent it in the future, and just talk about the general emotions, because if you guys think you've hit rock bottom, well, so have I. Now, we shorted YXT. If you traded any stock today, you would know the YXT is the main stock that went from $2 all the way up to $32, over 1,000% runner. We got short squeezed before any of that even happened. We tapped out in the pre-market. I saw YXT moving in the pre-market and it was in the $3 range. It made a push to about $4.80 and it rejected hard. I took my initial position around 340s and I did not think it was going to break back up above $4. When it broke above $4, I added full size and my intended risk was $5. It made a high of $4.80 and I was risking the break of $4.80 getting out at $5. Unfortunately, my broker froze and the squeeze from $4.80 on that breakout to about $6 froze my entire screen. I had no access to my position. I could not access anything on my screen. It was completely blank and I could not do anything about it. So that was the first time it froze today. When it resumed, it momentarily resumed at $5.70 and I tried to get out. I really did, but in a split second, it froze again and then it short squeezed again. But that wasn't even the worst part. So if you trade in a pre-market or after hours, you would know that you cannot market your orders in and out. You have to place a limit order at a very specific price. I don't have many hotkeys set up, so this is what I rely on. Generally, if my risk tolerance is $5, I will put about 3 to 4 orders on the level 2 at $6, $6.20, $6.40, maybe $7, a number significantly above my risk level so that if the stock does squeeze, I can still get out because my limit order is much higher than the current stock price. So that's what I try to do. But when I tried to cover when it resumed, I couldn't get out. My broker froze and it added to my position 3,000 shares at $6.20. I didn't mean to short at $6.20. In fact, I wanted to get out after the 570 when I could access the level 2. But I couldn't get out. And when it finally resumed partially at $7.50, I was just mashing the cover button and just frantically trying to get out. When I finally got out, the damage was $27,700. Now, I can't blame my broker entirely for this because as much as I am upset about the software issues, this is also my fault. If you watch any of my other videos, I talk about this a lot. Sometimes, for whatever reason, my broker freezes on me. I think it's because I have 4 monitors, and I asked Gemini and ChatGPT. They basically said, you're putting too much load on the software. And because of that, when there is a lot of data being sent on the level 2 and rendering on the charts from your broker, it crashes and freezes your screen. I knew this, or at least I thought this was a problem and I knew about this and I had the means to fix it. I could have got eSignal or TradingView and I didn't do it. And because I didn't do it, it cost me over $27,000 today. So this has been a very devastating August for me. Generally, I upload videos daily. Just a simple daily recap at the very least, just to show my entries, exits, and the general overall condition of the market. I haven't been doing that lately. Yesterday, I was just not in my right state of mind. I received some very devastating news that someone I care about deeply is terminally ill. And because of that, in hindsight, I should not have traded today, because the stock that I traded today did not match any of my setups, and it was a gamble. It was a really, really poorly executed bad trade. And because of that, it cost me so much money today. I'm more upset at myself for not sticking to my plan, sticking to my rules, and just stepping back when you know you're not mentally 100%. In the month of July, we grew our account from $7,000 to $37,000. We went over 4 times our account size. And I want to tell myself, and to all traders who are struggling with this, because sometimes you inevitably will blow up your account or have a really bad red day. Every trader has it. I hope you don't, but for most traders, it's part of the game. You are still the same trader as you are yesterday. You are still the same trader as you were the day before yesterday, last month, and the day before that too. You are still the same trader who grew $7,000 to $37,000. That's what I need to tell myself. That's what I'm going to be telling myself going forward. And starting tomorrow, we're having a brand new challenge where we're going to be documenting more thoroughly and explaining everything more in depth, and genuinely try to make better quality videos, documenting our journey to take $10,000 all the way back up to $37,000 and our end goal of $100,000. So I'm going to show you my trades for today. You can see from my chart that I lost $27,707.77. Looks like a good number too, but that was a really bad trade. It went all the way to $32. You can say my exit wasn't even that bad, given the fact that it squeezed all the way up to $32, but I was out of this position down here. It's just very, very disappointing, really. After I got out, I made sure I did not revenge trade. I took a step back because if I continued shorting, I would have lost absolutely everything. So I'll show my account balance. It's exactly at $10,000. It might be a little bit more, a little bit less, depending on commissions and borrow fees today. But that's the end result. We tried to stick to our rules, and we didn't do that today. We had some technology issues, but the blame solely rests on me. And what's important as a trader is how we recover from this. You know, every trader will have a really bad day. This is not even my biggest loss of my career. It's my biggest loss of this year, but not of all time. And it's very important to kind of compartmentalize how we can recover from this and what we can do going forward. We know this is bad, but it's not the worst. We're down, but we're not out. And that's the most important thing. Traders have to be resilient. And as much as I am talking to you guys as an audience, I'm trying to convince myself the exact same thing, because right now I'm pretty beaten down. Hearing news about my family and then blowing up your account the next day genuinely puts me in a very, very low spot. But we're going to continue. We're going to continue making videos. We're going to continue making better quality videos and outlining our new journey, our new playlist, a new series to show beginner traders, intermediate traders, how you can grow your account from any size to $100,000. I'm going to start at $10,000, but you can start at any size, and I'm going to show you my exact strategy that made me over $28,000 last month. So I'm also going to show you my trading journal for the month of June and July. You can see from here, June we made $2,800, 83% day win rate, 75% trade win rate. This is when we had a much smaller account. And you can see as we made more money and scaled up, our trade win rate still stayed about 78%, day win rate still about the same at 86%. So our strategy works. It's just a matter of execution and fixing our technological issues and better emotional control. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys stay tuned for day 1 of a brand new series tomorrow, where we try to take our small account back to $37,000 and up to $100,000. So please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.